Okay. Okay, sis. Okay. That's how you feel? Okay. Hey, what's up? It's your girl George A, your number one go-to girl for beauty and lifestyle essentials, offering you tips, reviews, and tutorials. If you are new to my channel, I'm gonna ask you for one tiny, teeny, weeny little favor, which is to click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when content like this is out. And because I'm in the topic of me initiating you into the Georgarian family, I'm gonna ask you to check out my socials, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at George Atlee, and give me a follow and a like. You'll be getting all of my exclusives straight to you. So what is on today's table? Drum rolls, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be trying out. Basically, today I'm gonna be showing you my eyebrow maintenance and eyebrow routine, and I'm featuring this product. It's my first time using it. It is the Revlon Colourstay Brow and Glow. It is the Revlon Colourstay Brow Shape and Glow pen. What's cool about this is that it's got a marker tip and it's meant for precision. So if you're looking for a precise eyebrow offering you that micro blade tip, this is the product that you should be checking out and doing your research on. Usually I'm a big fan of felt tip when it comes to my eyebrows. I prefer, the micro blade look. So before I was using MAC, and MAC was, using this tool, but sometimes budget can get in the way of how we live. So I decided, I'm gonna go and try this Revlon Colourstay Brow Shape and Glow. And apparently it's still kind of new on the market. It's not that new. It's been released at around 2018, 2019, if I'm not mistaken. But I saw the reviews and most of the reviews came from 2019. So it's still kind of new. 2021, that's like, my math is bad. Let's not do math. Let's not do math, even basic math. So let's get straight into it. I'm excited. Okay, I need to now start my brow maintenance. I need a razor blade. So right now what I'm doing is I'm taking a razor blade like this one. I hope this camera is positioned right so you can see me do this. Then I take an eyebrow brush and then I brush my eyebrows up, just to get it really nice and out there for the whole world to see. So what I'm doing here is I'm brushing up my eyebrows, right? It's just so that I can see how my brows grow out, and I can see that it goes up, so that's great. I grab my razor tool right here, and then I'm gonna start shaping. Please be very careful when you use your razor. I don't want y'all calling me saying y'all got cut from your razor. Nuh-uh, boo. That's not my responsibility to take care of y'all. I'm taking care of y'all beauty. I ain't taking care of y'all mess if you cut yourself. So please be careful. So let's get into it. Gonna brush up a bit so I can see if what I'm doing is actually the right thing. I don't have the greatest camera, so my lighting keeps switching up every time it focuses, so I really apologize. But anyway, I think I'm done with my brow maintenance. So really that's it. All I do is use a razor to shape my brows, like my natural brow, and then it looks stunning. And I'm not ashamed of my brows. Many people are ashamed of their brows, and I don't understand why. Because that's your brow, sis. You need to love who you are, regardless of what you don't love about yourself. Because if you don't, who will, I mean, Jesus will, but who will? who besides Jesus, who else, But anyway, so I'm done with that. Really happy Now it's time to prime my face. Where's my primer? Now it's time for the important part. So I'm gonna take my primer and I'm just gonna prime my face and just do the most. I've got like a terrible pimple, guys, but Benzac is doing the most. I'm really happy for Benzac because, you know, it really is helping with my pimples. I don't know what these pimples are, but there's not much we can do. We can only love ourselves radically. Okay, now for the important part, Revlon Colourstay Shape, Brow and Glow. So what I said earlier, I said I like to use a type of tool for my eyebrow that gives it a microblading type of thing, because whenever I use pencil on my eyebrows, I tend to make them too thick and too dark, and it's kind of a problem for me because I just don't know. So I prefer using something with a little bit of precision. And when I did find out that there is such a tool from MAC, I was like, girl, other companies and brands and beauty brands really need to come up with these type of products for girls like me. And what did Revlon do? Revlon did exactly that. Colourstay, by the way. I also did see Essence has, as well as Catrice. So hopefully one day in the future I can use those type of products, but for now I'll be trying out Revlon and see if it really works. And again, just show you how to use this type of tool that's like, you know, a pen, that has a pen sort of feel. So what's different from the MAC one compared to the Revlon is that it has this thing which you can like shade inside, and then it has its felt tip. And then what's different from the MAC one, hey, English! Revlon. So Revlon, what makes it different from MAC, because you know you need to differentiate yourself from your competition, is that they have a glow thingy, a glow shimmer for your eyebrow, for your arch, for the arch. So basically this bone right here, that's where you're going to apply it. And then instead of like a little bit of, you know, hairs, because compared to MAC has like hairs making the tip, this one is an actual marker tip, if you can see. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So yes, I'm just gonna give you another show of what the product is. Revlon. Hey, Revlon. And then let's get into it. So when I start, I brush up and then I sweep it on top like so, right? And then again here, because I don't want to make it like a feather look, a feather brow. Then, okay, this is difficult. You do simple strokes going up. So in the beginning of your brow, do little strokes that go up. Oh, I made a mistake, but you know what? That's not a problem. Just gonna clean it up. With saliva. So they say that this tool is smudge proof, and we will see if it is. One of the reviews I saw said that it's waterproof. It's not waterproof, my bad. And just do it lightly. Then I'm just gonna brush it up lightly. And continue on. And there it is. Focus. There you go. Okay. Brush it up again. And then do the other brow. Okay, so here are my brows. Just a quick brush up. And they're starting to actually look good. I'm really happy that Revlon, they tried, Shin. They really did try. You know, if you don't have the budget for MAC's eyebrow pen, you know, you can always just use the Revlon Colourstay Brow Shape and Glow. Okay, so then after that, I'm just gonna now conceal up. Great. So I have like a new brush, but I'm like hooked onto this one. I don't know why. Okay, this brush isn't working, so I'll use the new one. Okay, so now that I've done the felt tip part, I'm gonna now try out the glow part and see if maybe this part is what I really want to try. Not try, but will continue to use. But I'm really just happy with the results, man. It gave me the precision that I've been needing, and it looks kind of bomb. It looks really sweet, man. Yeah, I said sweet. So right now I'm just gonna stroke it on. Oh, I'm actually liking that. I just want to blend it in more properly. Okay, sis. Okay, that's what you meant. That's what you meant when you said I'm a glow. Damn it, this looks so good. Woo. Added a little bit too much there. That's how you feel? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna finish off my face and then give you the final look. And there you have it. This is my final makeup look. I hope you really like the way I did my makeup. I did it just for you, boo-boo. But what's more important isn't the makeup look, but it's actually my brows, sis. This is how I get my brows. I do maintenance. I make sure that the brow underneath, the fake brow that I do, is proper so that I can have a smooth application. And once that's that, I head on to my tool, which is a felt tip tool that helps me to get this precision and defined eyebrows. So it is my first time using the Revlon Colourstay Brow Shape and Glow, the Glow tool, and I am very happy with the results. It looks exactly how I would normally do with my MAC tool, my MAC brow tool. And you know what? It's even cheaper. I got it for around $160, around there, $160, $170 at Discam, and I'm really happy. It says that it's supposed to give you that microblade look, and I really feel like it did give me that microblade look, even though I did kind of smudge in the fill in. I'm just really happy. I'm also happy with how thin it is. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's exactly just how I want it. And what's nice about the Revlon Colourstay Brow Shape and Glow tool is that they offer different shades, around 9 shades, so you can get it from black to blonde. I got mine in dark brown just so that it doesn't pop too much, because you know sometimes when you use black it doesn't really look okay, so I decided to get it in a brown, a dark brown, and I'm just really happy, man. To be honest, the part that takes me away, for me, it's gotta be this one, the glow at the end, at the other side of this tool. It's a glow powder. Basically it's a highlight, so you're not wasting your highlight on your brow, your normal highlight that you would use on your cheeks and for your contour, because your tool has its own glow powder. So I think that's cool, budget friendly. $169, $170, like I said. If you don't have the budget for MAC, it's okay. And also, I know that there are different products like this from different brands. So if you can't find Revlon, you know, this type of tool at your Revlon stand in your drugstore, you can always head on to Essence, or because I did see Essence has, and as well as, what is this one? Catrice. So that's Revlon, hands down, my stamp of approval. Hope you liked this review. We are at the end of my review. We are at the end of my tutorial. Whatever this video says it is in the title, we are at the end of it. And I just want to say that I had a fantastic time, and I hope you like what I did. I hope this was really helpful, and I can't wait to see y'all in the next one, because y'all mean so much to me. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye.